powerful magnitude 7.3 earthquake struck offshore near Sandpoint, Alaska. On July 16, 2025, it triggered tsunami warnings along the southern peninsula, briefly prompting evacuations. Officials downgraded the alert to an advisory within an hour, and it was fully canceled after only a minor 2 to 3 inch sea level rise. No serious damage or injuries were reported. Around 40 aftershocks, the strongest above magnitude 5, followed in the hours after the quake, which scientists say is part of an ongoing active seismic zone in the Aleutian chain.
An earthquake. There's an earthquake. Earthquake.